Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Here's the star of our show, a farmer's market. Beautiful tomato. That is provolone cheese. That's sourdough bread. And there's the other stars, mayo. We're going to use Duke's and Best Foods. Greetings, Mike Foster here. Today, you saw the title, the best tomato sandwich ever. Now, I'm not kidding. I love tomatoes. I love sandwiches. And I've made tomato sandwiches in the past, but this is the best ever. This is what makes it killer diller. Check out how I make the best tomato sandwich ever. First, lightly, very lightly, I'm going to toast that sourdough. Put this baby together. The key is how you slice it. You're just going to take one edge off, put that aside, and then we're going to make big slices like that. You see the size of that slice? It's the biggest slice you'll ever have. Big, big slice. Here's another one. Let's assemble this fine mess. All right, one of the keys, of course, is putting a lot of mayo on these. Is that a lot? Using Duke's also, just make it fun. This has been lightly toasted. I know it doesn't look toasted, but it is. Now you put a full piece of cheese here, although it looks like they've been bitten, but they're full. And then you put these big chunks. This is the key. This is why it's the best ever. You put these massive chunks of tomato, and that way they won't slip. Here's the other key. You got to put a lot of salt, and you got to put a lot of pepper. Now what? More mayo on both sides. That's the Best Foods. That's the Duke's. Is this the best tomato sandwich ever? Or the best mayo sandwich? Flipperoo? Perfect. Look at that. Press it. By making it this way, the tomatoes don't slip. Let's do a sliceroo. And here's the reveal. Oh, let's get a close-up. There's the close-up of the best or greatest tomato sandwich ever. Let's take a big bite. There it is again. The key to the greatest sandwich of tomato variety ever is good tomatoes, lots of mayo, and Foster love. Ah. It all works. Don't forget that Provo. Just strong enough to contrast the sweetness of the tomato and the mayo, which are sweet, but you can taste that juicy tomato, and the toast is not too hard to get in the way and crunch your mouth up. Try another one. Best tomato sandwich ever. The key is the tomato, look at that. It's the size of a burger. I think I surprised myself how good this is. Gotta use both mayos, they're both great. I could kill that whole thing. There it is, guys. Sweet Baboo. Best tomato sandwich ever. Try it. Man, try it and try all my videos. And Live Life 365 on my socials. Till next time. Peace!
Live life 365.
Killer dip. All right. All righty. Stupid guys, stupid is. Oh. Best tips. Now, I'm not kidding. That's a baby. The Q's tomato. I got these at the farmer's market. They gotta be fresh. I'm not kidding about that one. I like it so much I brought it with me. Baba.